Hello creative Tartanites and welcome to day 22 of 'Tis the Season to be Jolly Journaling, my version of December daily. Today's prompt is, what music are you listening to this month? Now for me, if you haven't already guessed it, I quite like Christmas, and so much of the music that I've been listening to of late has been Christmas tunes. In particular, Christmas tunes that I've been researching and looking for on Epidemic Sound, for which I have a subscription. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just shouting them out because I actually think their music is really good, which is why I bought a subscription. So today I thought I would show you a different, very simple, very quick, very easy, as always, way of making a tuck spot. And we're simply going to bring up the corner of our page and make that a feature. Now having it like this exposes the next page, and you can see that it quite suits it. The darker pink with the nice light lilac, it actually looks quite cool. When you cross over like that, you can see that this part of the page is exposed, and this doesn't look particularly bad either. But join me tomorrow and I will show you different ways that you can embellish this page. So at this moment in time, I'm trying to decide whether I want to do it all up here, the glue, or whether to do it across here. So I think what I'll do is I'll opt for the safe option and just simply glue the corner. As always, I'm using my Fabri-Tac glue. So there you are. That is even quicker than anything I've ever shown you. It's simply pulling the corner up, and that leaves a tuck spot. And there we go. You can pop these in however you want to. Now just before I go, I would like to show you one last thing, if I may. Now you'll remember that at the beginning I was unsure as to whether I wanted to glue it all down or whether just to glue down the corner. Now I opted to glue down just the corner because it gives me options, and one of the options is to actually use a paper clip, and that paper clip can clip on things. So it could be this paper clip. I'm just going to pop that out of the way there now. Or it could be any paper clip, and that just gives us options. So thank you all very much for watching. I hope you give it a go. It's very simple, very quick, and I will see you all tomorrow where I show you how to embellish a page where there's a corner missing. Take care everybody. Look after your mental well-being, because the chances are nobody else is going to. Bye for now.